So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on R on your keyboard. Now you're going to find remote procedure call locator. You're going to double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. Now you want to click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Management Instrumentation. We're going to scroll down. Here it is, Windows Management Instrumentation. Double click on it and then do the same thing. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, then you want to expand system, then you want to expand current control set, and then you want to expand services. Now we're going to find WSC SVC. We're going to scroll down till we find WSC SVC right here. You want to click on this, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything I did up here. And then once we're here, you want to find start, double click on it. Make sure that in the validator box, you have it set to 2. Make sure in this box right here it says 2. If it says any other number, delete it, and then type in the number 2, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.